Vamos a repasar. Let's review everything we've learned so far. First of all, we learned 12 new verbs. Estudiar en la biblioteca, caminar en el parque, hablar por teléfono, mirar la televisión, nadar en la piscina, desayunar y tomar un café, cenar en un restaurante, tocar la guitarra, escuchar música, limpiar la casa, llegar a casa, comprar en la tienda. We also learned the 10 different subject pronouns. Yo, I. Tú is you, the informal singular you. Él, ella, he and she. Usted, the singular formal you. Nosotros or nosotras, we. Vosotros or vosotras, that's the plural. Informal you. Ellos, they, masculine or mixed masculine, feminine. Ellas, they, feminine. That's a group of women saying they. Ustedes, the plural formal you. Then we learned how the endings of the verbs change with each of these subjects. Remember, the yo takes the O. Tú takes the AS. El, ella, usted take the A. Nosotros, the AMOS or amos. Vosotros take the AIS or the AIS. Ellos, ellas, ustedes take an. So, for example, to practice, you can go through this picture sequence with any of the subjects on the bottom of this page here. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. You can make positive statements, you can make negative statements, and you can make questions. So if there's 12 questions here, 12 pictures here, there are 10 subjects, and then there are 3 types of sentences, positive, negative, and questions. You can, for example, make 10 sentences with this first picture, 1 with each of the subjects, and then you can also make 3 types of sentences for each of the subjects. So just one picture alone, you know how to make 30 pictures, 30 sentences. And then if you have 12, that's 12 times 30, that's 360 sentence variations in this one activity. If you want to practice that, go ahead and stop the video and pick one of the subjects here at the bottom and pick one of the positive, negative, or sentences, question sentences, and speaking out loud and make sentences. And then we learned some new verbs here. Llamar, trabajar, sacar, parar, pagar, llevar, lavar, funcionar, fumar, firmar, entrar, enseñar, cuidar, cocinar, cantar, buscar, bailar, ayudar, aparcar, apagar, alquilar, acabar, or terminar. And you can also make, for each picture, you can make 10 different sentences plus or times 3. You can make positive, negative, and questions. So you have a total of 660 sentence variations if you use all of your subjects and your positive, negatives, and your questions. So 660 on this page, 360 on this page. So felicidades, you've successfully learned over 1,000, or to be more specific, 1,020 sentence variations using all of the new verbs that you've learned. Congratulations.